Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. And welcome back to my YouTube channel, OSTV 67. All right. And I'm here again today. I'm going to do a little thing. So I want you guys to come along with me and share with me what I'm doing. All right. And I'm asking you guys again, please remember to subscribe, share, like, give the videos a thumbs up, and comment on the video and let me know what you think about my videos. All right. I appreciate you guys so very much. And thanks again for watching my channel. All right. And supporting the channel. So come along and take a look at what I'm doing. Yes, people. In the kitchen here now, and guess what I go on so now? I have some starfish here, so a soak, right? We have some scallion over here, so right? And then now, over here, so we have some kidney, a bubble down, right? So, you know what me have plan to do, you know? Me have plan to make 2 fried dumpling and some fritters to go with my kidney, right? And that's the thing we are doing, you know. Right, so you just go and see there, me give you a close up. Watch him. Bubble him and bubble down slow. So just go and stick and stay with me. Right? Until when me finish and I set up everything, me will show you, you know. We have a 1 cabbage too, right? That's all. Right? So just go and stick and stay with me. Till when me get everything together already. Alright? Yeah, guys. See? Mix up my flour. This have to do my fritters them, you know, so I'm gonna mix up it now, and then when we mix it up and ready to do it, me make you guys know. Alright, so go and stick and stay with me. I get everything together. Yes, guys. Fritters mix up, you know. See it there? You know, close up right. Saltfish. Alright, saltfish fritters that. Everything in it, you know. Onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, pepper, everything we cut up in it. The only reason why you know see them things is because I blend it. I blend them something and put in there, you know, make it more flavor. Yeah, so I fry me, I get ready for fry them now. So just stick and stay with me and see when me I fry them, yeah? Alright. Yes, so now guys, take a look at this. Fritters in a pot, a bubble, right? So just go and stick with me. I'm going to turn them, you know, and then me will show you what I go on after that. Alright, so go and stick with me. Yes, guys, you see them? Just turn them now. Yes, that's how the first set, you know. Just turn them. So them a bubble nice and pretty and brown. Yeah. And then remember now, over here, so me finish with my kidney, you know. Kidney that. Kidney and fritters and fried dumpling. That we are bouncing idea. Yeah. Yes, guys, take a look at this. 1 set finish. Nice and pretty and crispy. And then over here, so now, Me have a neck sitting at the pot. I go and fry. Coming on lovely. I mean, I show me one cabbage as so. Me have one tomato. And me have one cucumber. So me I go cut a piece of this and make some fresh vegetable to go with where we are going to eat, you know. Yeah. And then we are going to mix that up with kidney, fritters, and some fresh vegetable. And a glass of water. Yeah. Alright, so let's go and stick and stay with me. Yeah, guys. Me turn them one and now, but me I wait for them ready up, you know. And once they're ready up, me I take them out. And then me have about only two left to fry. Alright? And then me done. I don't know whole heap me fry now. Just a little bit. Then me soon ready. Give them one more turn. Now when me done with one more turn, then me can take them out. Alright? Let's go and stay with me. Last two now me having a pot of fry, you know. That are the last two. Over here so now, there's a second set that me take out, you know. So there's two more left to fry. And this is the second set. Brown and crispy. Very crispy. That's how me like them. I like them crispy, you know. Yeah, so just go and stick and stay with me until me turn and finish the last two in the pot. Yes, guys, me turn them the last two. Me give them first turn. So I just wait till them are fry. And when them are fry, we gonna take them out and we are go ready. Cause two batch done already, you know. So these are the last two we left. Alright. So when we get them out, me show you what I go on, alright? Alright guys, look. Me fry a couple dumpling with the fritters them, you know. I just them a dumpling me fry. Me have no more, just this. And me go fry them here with the fritters. Cause first lady wants some fried dumpling. So me just a fry some dumpling to go with it. Them a dumpling here for first lady. Right? So when me turn them on, so me show you what I go on. Right? Yeah guys. Them depend them first turn, you know. Yes, soon fry. Depend them first turn. See, yeah, so fritters finish. Fritters finish and ready. So this dumpling them here wait pan. When the dumpling them ready, then I eating time. Alright. Kidney, fritters, and fried dumpling. And some fresh veg. That are the thing. Alright. This are them last turn. After I make them soak some more, I'm gonna take them out. Look on them. Nice and crunchy. I remember over here, so the kidney. Kidney that done. And I'm ready for you jump in, you know? Yeah. Easy dish, easy dish. And over here, so fritters ready. Fritters ready and done. So soon eating time, you know? Yes, guys, see it there? Dumpling done fry. Like me say, I never fry enough. I just fry them for first lady because first lady say she wants some fried dumpling. So I make some fried dumpling and some saltfish fritters. Alright? And some kidney. Yeah. See there? So that are the max, you know? I'm gonna just set up the fresh veg now. And then now I eating time. Alright guys? Alright, so just go and stick and stay with me. Yes guys, thank you guys again for watching this video with me and hanging out with me while I do this little cooking. I appreciate you guys so very much. Alright. I thank you guys so much for always coming out and supporting my channel, OSTV 67. Alright. And again, guys, before I go, I'd like to ask you guys to please subscribe, share out the video, like up the video, and comment on the video. All right. And I appreciate you guys so very much. And I thank you guys for watching. And I thank you guys for stopping by. And thanks for the love and the support. I appreciate you guys. All right. And you guys have a blessed day. Rest of your day. All right. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right. Yes. Thank you guys.